Hello and good afternoon. I am Tufail Rico from the valley, Kashmir. This is a beautiful setting here. The time is 1:15, and as you can see, it's quite sunny. If you take a look at the backdrop, beautiful, filled with so many trees, lush green grass. The smell of the soil is so amazing. It is so therapeutic and healing. You can feel how beautiful the air and the oxygen is here. Very important for all of us all across the globe to take care of the environment wherever we are. This is one of the most heavenly places on the globe. The people who are not able to travel from their native places, this is one of the places you could think of, you could dream of visiting once in your lifetime. I write about art, films, fashion, and of course landscapes as well. This is a part of my segment, and we are taking you through the beautiful lanes and the by-lanes and the landscapes of Kashmir. I am going to bring you more mouth-watering stuff from here. For now, I am signing off. Thank you, and you have a beautiful day ahead. Bye-bye.